We're in Holyoke, Massachusetts on our Chestnut Street tour, and we want to know how the Polish people lived. This place was made in the 1890s and filled up very quickly. A lot of tenement houses around here near the mills, near the churches, are very big, lots of people. The main attraction in this particular block happens to be the next building, but you can see how many people were in this area. It was incredible. Now we're going to show you the next house up. And the next house up was made in the year 1855 by the Shakers. It's a Shaker house. And you can see it's the exact same look as those Shaker houses supposed to have. And it used to have two front porches. You can see one to the right. The one to the left, you can see the remnants of it was taken out because the brick down there is very new. They took it out. The Shakers didn't stay here very long. They were left by the late 1870s. They built this great place and then took off for other places. They wanted to live in a modern mill environment. They thought that was a nice planned environment like they loved, and it didn't quite work out as they thought, so they probably moved. We wish we know where they moved. And beyond that is the St. Jerome's Church, and we happen to see the back. The back is where the priest's chapel is, and so this is a great little block. And we're going to pause this so we can cross the street to the other side. 1850, the first school of Holyoke was put at this location called the Chestnut Street School, the first multi-room public school in Holyoke. It was, same look as this one. Unfortunately, this is not the original. And the year 1910, they decided to take that 60-year-old school down and put up the William Wayne School. Very much the same look to it. And it was also a very large neighborhood school because so many people lived around here. Sure, they have private schools, Catholic schools, but the public schools were still important and needed to be very large for that large population. So, incredibly, not there anymore. In the parking lot of this school is the old Emerald Fire Station. Sadly, it was taken down when the main station was built in 1920. So this would have been a packed little block for the school. This is again on Chestnut School, and it so happens that when they built the South Chestnut Street School, they had to rename this school from Chestnut Street School to North Chestnut Street School, and then when they built the new one, William Wayne School. All right, thank you for being on this block of Chestnut Street.